Welcome to Finda's Fun Story Time.
Oh no, look what I see. A pile of clothes as tall as me. Socks and shirts and dresses too. What's a little kid to do? But mommy smiles and daddy grins. Let's sort the clothes before we begin. We'll make it fun, we'll make it play. It's laundry day. Hooray, hooray. It's a happy, happy laundry day. Let's put the dirty clothes away. Red with red and blue with blue. Sorting colors is fun to do. Red with red and blue with blue. Happy laundry day with you. Here's a red sock, bright and sweet. Find the match for its little feet. Here's a blue shirt, soft and clean. The bluest blue you've ever seen. Whites go here, they need some space. All together in one place. Sort and sort and sort away. This is fun. Hip hip hooray. It's a happy, happy laundry day. Let's put the dirty clothes away. Red with red and blue with blue. Sorting colors is fun to do. Red with red and blue with blue. Happy laundry day with you. Now we load them one by one. The washing machine says this is fun. Close the door with a click clack snap. Push the button, zip zap zop. Watch it spin and twirl and turn. Bubbles fizz and clothes will turn. Swish 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 and round they go. The washing machine loves the show. While the clothes are dancing in the drum, we wait and watch and hum hum hum. The bubbles pop, the time ticks by faster than a firefly. Ding ding ding, the cycle's done. Look, we've won laundry fun. Out they come all fresh and clean. The softest clothes you've ever seen. We fold the shirts and roll the socks, neat and tidy in the box. And when the day is through and through, I'll wear my favorite shirt, would you? Thank you for the laundry play. Let's do it again someday. It's a happy, happy laundry day. We put the dirty clothes away. Red with red and blue with blue. We're sorting champions, me and you. Red with red and blue with blue. Happy laundry day. We're through. Shh. The laundry's sleeping in the drawer. Good night, socks. Good night, shirts. See you next laundry day.
Thank you for watching. Bye.